Hi, I'm John Sanders. In this video, I'm going to show you what happened when I tried to use my live streaming setup with the AverMedia 2 Plus 4K. If you haven't seen my video about the live streaming setup I have using the ATEM Mini, Webcaster X2, and the AverMedia 2 Plus 4K, I'll put a link in the description below. So I organized a continuing education event on January 14th, 2020. This was my first field test of this specific setup. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what happened next. So here's the setup I decided to use for live streaming, and I had an event on Tuesday. Just to go over it real quickly, we'll have two camera inputs in the ATEM Mini and my computer display, and you can see on our display monitor, we've got all three inputs working, and the HDMI output, program output from the ATEM is going into this HDMI splitter and then coming out to the AverMedia recording device and then out to the Webcaster X2, and the Webcaster X2 is going to the monitor. So as you can see, and like the last video I did, it's recording, everything's working fine. I thought this was going to be my setup, and I was going to be able to record a local copy of the live stream to a SD card in this AverMedia device. However, when I got to the job Tuesday morning at 6 o'clock in the morning and started setting up, and the one thing I hadn't tested was audio. So I use a Rode Link wireless mic system, and it comes through my Canon SL3 and through the ATEM Mini, and that's how I get audio for my live streams. But what was happening was that morning I was getting really garbled audio. It sounded terrible. And what I did was, just because I knew this has been problematic from the start, I just took the AverMedia device and the splitter out of the mix, hooked it up regularly, ATEM to Webcaster to the monitor, and everything worked great. So here's an example of what it sounded like, the audio coming through the splitter. Hopefully you can hear this. HDMI splitter. One split going to the AverMedia. Well, if you can hear that, that's very garbled. And then here's a test after taking the AverMedia and the splitter off. System into the Canon SL3. Beautiful audio. Into the ATEM Mini and directly to the webcam. So I don't think this setup's going to work for me. I'm going to have to look for a different solution. I really wanted this AverMedia device to work. It was an affordable and easy solution. I just wanted to plug it in, have the HDMI pass through, let it record directly, the program directly on site, but it just hasn't worked. I've tried everything. So I just wanted to follow up on my last video. The audio was horrible. It's probably this splitter that's doing that. I don't know. If you have an idea, let me know in the comments section, but this is not going to work for me. I'm going to have to find a different solution. So I just wanted to keep you guys updated. I appreciate it. I still need more practice, but my professional live streams are going to continue to get better and better. As far as the AverMedia device and the HDMI splitter, back to Amazon they go. I'll just have to save up for a Blackmagic Video Assist. My next live streams are February 11th, 2020. Thanks so much for watching this video. I appreciate you.